What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, back again with another alpha pack opening video. We got 131 alpha packs, one extra to piss off a few people in the comments. But today we're going to be hoping for AK Black Ice. I've been playing a lot of Ace, so let's get into it. Alright, so first, I'm thinking we're going to do the beginner packs. Honestly, I don't know what can be in these. I've been told it's everything except for duplicates. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We got a purple right off the bat. First pack of the day. That's pretty sweet, actually. Ew. Another purple. I love this headgear. A legendary. That's pretty dope. I like that. Another purple. Hoping for black ice. Well, let's get on to the alpha packs. Can our first alpha pack be a purple? A legendary, I'll take that. And of course it's a duplicate. Why wouldn't it be? Trash. Come on, we need something good. That is disgusting. That's still disgusting. Oh, let's go. We got a purple. AK Black Ice right here. Oh! Let's go. Another legendary. Hoping for the waffle gun. Another legendary. Waffle skin. It's still disgusting. We need some more black ices. Oh. Ah. Right gun, wrong skin. Still gross. Oh, purple. Love to see it. AK. Ew. If this is Solar Raid, I'm gonna go insane. At least it wasn't Solar Raid. Gross. Ubisoft. If you guys give me more greens, we're gonna have some issues. Why is my luck so bad? It's okay, because you guys are gonna make up for it by giving me AK Black Ice, right? Another purple. Back-to-back black ice. A legendary. Waffle skin time. Let's go! Waffle skin, baby. You already know. No Solar Raid. Please. If I don't get at least 2 more black ices by the time I'm done the next 58 packs, I'm gonna uninstall. They really don't want me to uninstall. Maybe they do. Black ice, black ice, black ice. Gross. Black ice. AK. What is this? Ew. Gross. Purple. A lot of pistol black ices today, but it's okay. Black ice is black ice. Where are the purples? They're on vacation, bro. We need more purples. Please. AK. Black ice is black ice. I'll take it. Black ice. Primary gun, please. Nope. Black ice. AK. That's actually pretty dope though, I'm not gonna lie. Legendary. Another waffle skin. Let's go. 10 packs to go. One more black ice right here. AK. Nope. Here it is. 2 packs to go. And we're gonna get primary black ice right here. I'll take it. And a green to finish off. Well, we're on to the Bravo packs now. We got 19 of these bad boys. I do have a lot of the black ices that are in the collection already. So hopefully we'll be able to get lucky and pull the rest of them. But I don't know. We got a legendary right off the bat. Cardboard. Love it. Nobody likes blues, especially not in Bravo packs. Same with greens. Black ice right here. Right here, right now. Let's go! Twitch F2 black ice! Let's fucking go, man. I love this charm, actually. Purple. Black ice. We got a bunch left. We're gonna get one more for sure. Black ice. No! You already know. You already know. Fuck. That's not that bad. That's pretty cool. We got 6 left. Legendary. That's pretty heat. That is dope. Gross. Another legendary. That is dope. Black ice. To finish off the video. Let's go! Oh. I have all 3 black ices for IQ's main gun now. Last pack. Let's get a black ice to finish off the video. Or not. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate if you stayed to the end. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. And peace out.